we're out here in Georgetown at Dylan's property. Decided to just get away for the weekend, and we're out here cleaning up brush and down trees, so we have a nice trail to ride on. And
towing in was kind of difficult because we were driving and there's just bushes fucking everywhere. And if you guys have watched our other videos, I don't like to scratch my truck because it's new, so we're doing this.
What happened?
The fucking stick ripped my pants.
You're just too thick, dude.
God damn it. These are the only pair of work pants I brought. Hey, keep the Instagram story at Avid Media.
Tire out, huh?
Yeah, Derek's for sure fucking walking out.
Keep the gram.
Holy shit. I got it. Get underneath it and push. Hurry. Okay, move.
You have a strap?
Yeah. Alright, well, I don't even have the mic on or anything. I'm holding the mic right now. Whew. My adrenaline's going right now. I just came around this corner. We just had to pull it over. The GoPro's still recording. Ronnie had to pull me. I came sliding around that corner, dude. Look at, you can see my tire marks? I came sliding right here and I hit the brakes and I shouldn't have. I came sliding and of course, me out of anybody, I roll over in the mud. Sick. Whatever, I got it on GoPro.
Well, my razor's been making some weird noise probably for the past 20-30 minutes, and I'm getting on it on the road right here because it sounded like a clicking, like a ta 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 ta, and I said, no, I'm just gonna run it till something breaks, and then it went pop, and my razor shut off, and I gotta figure out what it is. I'm thinking it might be the belt, might have blown the thing up. I have no fucking idea. All right, so I got my belt cover off, and yeah, that belt is gone. Oh yeah, that thing is destroyed. Oh yeah, that's good. Don't worry, I'll pick that up. But good thing I got a spare one, so we're good to go. I'm just gonna take all the pieces out of this one, finish taking this thing apart. Oh yeah, and get it back and going. I don't know how I'm gonna get it. Hey, dude. Easy, Tiger. Chill. My bad.
Ain't nobody trying to see that thing.
I'm sorry. Thought YouTube would like it. Oh yeah, all up in here. Ah!
Is it hot?
Dude, it's hot as a muff.
Oh my god.
Look at dude.
Oh, you did a good job.
Oh yeah. Look at all this.
Sick.
Wow, this makes me look really bad. Last video I rolled over. Now this video I blew a belt.
I rolled over in this video.
Oh, that's true. That's really funny.
Yeah, it's always fucking something.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh fuck. I don't think he got me. I think it's all in his head.
Dude!